Hello my people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming by into my channel, you are highly welcome. Today I'll be doing a video to show you how to prepare your akara using this lentil. Lentil has lots of benefits, as you can see. Today I'll be making lentil into akara, which we call cake beans. Okay, I'll be using this, just few cups of it. I'll be using the onion, the red long pepper, the salt, and the small tiny pepper. I'm gonna rinse it off to remove all the dust before I will start blending it. I'm using the running water just to run through it. I'll wash it like 2 times to get rid of the dust. After I finish washing, I'll be putting it into my blender. And now I'll be preparing my ingredients that I want to add into it for the cake beans or akara. You can use the pepper as your choice. The quantity depends on you, so there's no too much, there's no too little. And I'll put the whole onion, and I have to unseed this long pepper because I don't want it to taste bitter, so I have to remove it. As you can see, making this into cake beans, the akara, is so easy. Now I'm adding the water, and you have to be careful when adding the water because it needs to be at the same level with the beans. It cannot be above it, so that it will not be too watery. I will blend it into paste. Making this akara doesn't take that long. Within 15 minutes you're done making your akara. I believe it's the best way. Instead of washing the beans, if you're using the white and black beans, it takes a long time because you have to pre-wash the beans before everything, and that takes so long. But with this, within 15 minutes you're done frying your akara. Just watch and see, and you can judge it by yourself. I'm pouring the paste into the bowl I'm gonna use. I'm gonna whisk it to allow air to enter into it. I'm not gonna put egg. Some people would like to put egg, but this one I don't think is necessary. I don't put egg. I'm gonna whisk it until the egg goes in. Feel free to use the hand mixer if you prefer. Now I'm adding the salt. Remember, I didn't add the salt when I'm blending it, because after I had blended it and poured into the bowl, I added the salt, and I'll still mix it so that there'll be more air inside the akara paste. Okay, I think I'm set to start the frying. I'm gonna be using the low heat because I don't want too much heat so that it doesn't get burnt. I'm adding my oil. It's good to add enough oil so that your akara will have space so that it will rise when frying. As you can see, I'm frying it now. This method is a game changer. I tell you, if you try this, I don't think you will go back to the white and black beans. And with the health benefit of this one, I think it's much better than the white and black beans. And it's quicker to make your akara. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like what we're doing. And don't forget to comment and share. Thank you for always coming by. As you can see, it's really a game changer. You don't need to do much preparation, getting ready a lot of things. This is so easy. Within 15 minutes, even less than 15 minutes, you're done making your akara. Wow, you can see how it looks. So nice. This is good. I tell you. You see the way it's looking? That's the way it tastes. It's so yummy. Please, if you try it, that'll be good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.